Alright guys, so look, when I was done welding today on the roof, I had kept it straight, but when it cooled later, it sunk in pretty bad. So we're gonna try an old trick to see if I can get it to pop back, alright? So there you go.
All right, guys,
It's
watch
better.
how fast this happens. That I just sprayed. So vinegar, salt, hydrogen peroxide. I'm doing this just so I can see what it's going to look like in the morning. So before I'm relying on this and it's not done. Check out this fender. This fender looks like it's brass. Wish I could stop it right there. Just leave it.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, so it's the next morning. It looks like now up here I started hitting it with a paper towel, trying to see how it worked. Obviously we're gonna have to do more, but yeah, it just kinda knocks the dust off of it when I do it. So it'll take a few coats probably of the stuff, but I think it'll come through. Just gotta give it some time.
So it's Thursday morning. My son's agreed to work for me, so I got another day to work on the truck. But then I forget that I promised my wife I'd take Monster Big in here to the freaking groomer for the first time. She's 180 pounds, a big baby, and she doesn't like the car. So I've been fighting to get her in here. But yeah, that's the kind of stuff I have to do when I make promises and forget about them. So anyway, see how it goes. It was a wrestle to get her in here. Come on, babies. Yeah. All right.
I miss you so.
Bondo was so deep on this car, I was afraid if I kept sanding, I was gonna end up having a Ford Escort. That's how fucking deep it is. I got worried what was under it.
Smoking cigarettes and cry and sing my song. I've got no sun that shines on me.
Well, guys, finally got all the Bondo off the car. It was anywhere from a quarter to half-inch thick in some areas. I mean, I get it. You bought a gallon of Bondo, but fuck, you don't have to put the whole thing on the car. There'd be a dent here. 3 feet away, it's still a quarter-inch thick. Ridiculous. I ended up having to use a grinder with a 40 grit flapper wheel just to eat down through all the Bondo. So, yeah. Anyway, now I gotta wire wheel it and sand it. And then we're about done with the bodywork. So, alright.